Let's see how to solve Rubik's Cube easily. A cube has 6 faces. In Rubik's Cube, all the centerpieces are fixed. That is, white centerpiece is opposite to yellow, red is opposite to orange, and green centerpiece is opposite to blue. These centerpieces are fixed. They won't change. Just keep in mind that white centerpiece is opposite to yellow. Now I will scramble the cube. Now let's begin. Take the face having yellow centerpiece. Now we have to fix white at these 4 edges. We can do that very easily. We don't need any special skills for doing that. Just take the white edge pieces and place it near to the yellow centerpiece. Yes, now we got 4 edges with white. Now we need to fix these edges with matching centerpiece. This one is having blue and match it with the blue centerpiece and rotate it twice. Take the other edge piece, it's orange, match it with the orange centerpiece and rotate it twice. Third edge piece, it is having red color, match it with the red centerpiece, rotate it twice. Last one, it's already matched, so just rotate it twice. Now we got white cross with matching centers. Now we have to fix these 4 corners with white piece. For that, take the corner piece having white. This is having red and green. So take this piece to the corner where red and green is supposed to be. Yes, that's the place. And just rotate the bottom layer away from it and put that side down and rotate it back and put this side up. Yeah, now we got the correct corner piece at right place. Then take the second corner piece. It's having orange and blue. Rotate to the corner having orange and blue. Just rotate it away from where it is supposed to be. Put that side down. Rotate this one back. Put that side up. It's fixed. Now take the third white corner. It's having red and blue. Take to the corner having red and blue. Rotate it just away from where it is supposed to be. Put that side down. Move the bottom layer back and put that side up. We solved that too. One more corner piece left. It's having orange and green corner. So it's just a move away from it. So just put the left side down. Move the bottom layer towards it and put this side up. Yeah, now we solved the first layer completely with matching centerpieces. Now we need to solve the second layer. A few edges of the second layer are to be solved. For that, take an edge piece and match it with the centerpiece. This one is already matched. This should be belongs to the left side. So rotate it towards the right side and put that side down. Rotate the bottom layer back. Put this side up. Now fix the white corner. Just move it away from where it is supposed to be. Put that side down and move it back. Put this side up. Yeah, we got it in the right place. Now take the other edge piece. Match with the center piece, that is blue. This edge piece belongs to the right side. So rotate the bottom layer opposite, that is left. Put the right side down. Move the bottom layer back. Put this side up. Now fix the white corner. Now take the other edge piece. Match with the center piece. This should belongs to the left side, so move towards the right. Put that side down. Move the bottom layer back. Put this side up and fix the white corner. Now we have completely solved the second layer too. Now we need to solve the last layer. For that, take the face having yellow center. Sometimes you will get an yellow center or an yellow hook or yellow 3-piece or an yellow cross. Do this sequence until you get an yellow cross. That's F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we got an yellow 3-piece at center. Repeat the sequence again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Yeah, now we got an yellow cross. This sequence should be repeated until we get an yellow cross. Now second step, we need to match the edges with the centerpiece. Here only two opposite sides and centerpiece is matching, so we need to do this sequence R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Now let's check whether the centerpieces matches with the edge or not. Yeah, two of them matches, two of them not. So keep this matching side, one at back. We are keeping the green at back and the other one red. Keep on right side. And do the sequence again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Now let's check whether the centerpieces matches with the edges or not. Yeah, orange matches, green matches, blue matches, and red also matches. Now we need to fix the yellow corners. For that, we need to get right piece at the right corners. This one is matching blue, orange and yellow. So keep that side at top right and do the sequence U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Two corners got solved. And let's see the other two corners. Yeah, we got the right piece. Blue, red and yellow. And this one orange, blue and yellow. Now we need to fix it properly. For that, do this sequence. R prime, D prime, R, D. Again, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now, take the other corner piece towards the top right corner and do the sequence again. R prime, D prime, R, D. Again, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Once again, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now just rotate the top layer at once to get the Rubik's Cube completely solved. That's all. Congratulations and thank you for watching.